Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn with Sumi. In this video, we are going to, consider today we are diving into a simple but powerful concept, vector math, the dot product. Okay, so the dot product here, imagine there are two vectors, A and B, vector A and vector B, somewhere pointing in space. Okay. So the dot product gives us a way to multiply these two vectors, okay? But unlike normal multiplication, it gives us a single number, not a vector. You know, a vector is nothing but which has both magnitude and direction. So scalar is only going to give us the magnitude. So the formula for the dot product is vector A dot vector B is a1 b1 plus a2 b2 plus a3 b3, okay, where a1 is a1i plus this is vector, right? Vector A is a1i plus a2j plus a3k, and vector B is b1i plus b2j plus b3k. So you multiply each matching component, means a1 b1 I, j j k k. So this is how you are going to multiply. So when you multiply each matching component and then you add them all up together, a1 b1 plus a2 b2 plus a3 b3. For example, I'll show you. Okay, for example, let me consider a vector A equal to 2i plus 3j plus 1k, okay, and vector B equals to 4i plus 0j plus 5k. All right, then A dot B is going to give me 2 into 4 plus 3 into 0 plus 1 into 5. 2 into 4, 3 into 0, 1 into 5. And adding them all up is going to give me 2 4s are 8 plus 0 plus 5 equals to 13. 8 plus 5 is 13. So the dot product is 13, right? Now there is one more way to understand the dot product, okay? That is A dot B equals to mod A mod B cos theta. Okay, this is one more way to understand or to find the dot products. So this shows how much one vector points in the direction of another. So if the angle is 0 to 90 degree, the vectors are perpendicular, right? And the dot product is 0. So they are not at all pointing towards each other. So the dot product is going to be 0. So remember, the first thing I told is dot product is some number or a magnitude, okay, which is a scalar quantity. Then we have to multiply matching components. Then measures how much vectors align, right? This is so easy. So if you found this helpful, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy math breakdowns. Okay, thank you so much for watching.